Yeah, metal can fuse together on its own in space.
Everything in space is a nightmare.
Normally, if you want to connect two pieces of metal, you heat them up. But in the vacuum of space, if they touch, they can just permanently fuse together under the right conditions. This is cold welding, and it's been kind of a problem for NASA. On Earth, the surface layer of metal reacts with the oxygen in the air to create a kind of additional layer that protects metal from fusing with other metals. But in space, without that oxygen, metal can come into direct contact and allow the electrons to flow back and forth. And the atoms basically don't know they're in two separate pieces. Metal is unique because its electrons move freely between the atoms, instead of sticking with a specific atom like most things. But in order to work, the pieces have to be perfectly clean, so no leftover oxidized layers or dirt, and they need to be the same type of metal. Cold welding is usually looked at as an uncommon side effect of space travel, but some scientists have proposed using it as an active tool to repair hull damage from things like micrometeoroids or space debris. It could also be used for welding nanotechnology, so we don't have to try to focus heat on these tiny little spaces. We can just have them touch in a vacuum. Can you imagine explaining this to somebody like 300 years ago?